A little hiking in the snow. The road's a little icy as you got closer to the top, and I was planning on riding my mountain bike on this area, but there's so much snow that it's not even safe to ride my bicycle. So, I mean, maybe you could. I don't know. It might. I mean, it might be slippery as hell though. You might slip and fall, but this little pathway is pretty packed down, so it might be able to withstand a mountain bike traction, but because it's on wheels, it might just spin in place. So I'm just gonna take a little walk. It's not too good to get all the way to the edge, because as you can see behind me, it's pretty damn foggy, so it's not like you can even see beyond it anyway. So you'll probably walk to the cliff and just look at a crazy cloud of fog. So I'm just gonna go a little ways in and then make my turn back. Doesn't seem like much of really anybody out here. Some weird noises, but let's look at how deep those footsteps are. So definitely don't want to go off on that side, but it's not too bad. It is bright, even with sunglasses. It is bright. Pretty wild. I think I feel a lot better with my cleats on, because my boots are slipping a little bit. Just a little bit. Little slip. Little snow. Whew. Holy smokes. I tried taking off my glasses real quick to see how bright it is, and holy smokes, blinding. One step off trail and my shoes is in. I got some snow in my shoes. Should have brought out my gaiters and test them out. I bought some gaiters early in the year, and I've been wanting to test them out in the snow, but I don't know where I left them. Either in my hiking bag, in my room, or in my car. But it would have been nice to take it out today, but it is what it is. This is nice. Peaceful though, super peaceful. Man, my hat was all crooked because the way the spiral of my hair, it tends to slide easier this way and harder to the left. So one little nudge, it's going to the right. Whew, some thick snow. Whew. Oh man. Should have brought my axe so I could tell how deep it is. The axe will go straight down. Unprepared. Came in for a mountain biking, went in for a hike. Woo! Starting to come in. Get a little foggy. Get lost out here. foggy. Fog is coming in, getting thick. Nothing like hiking in the snow. Beautiful. Gotta change the scenery once in a while. Get some snow in my shoes. But look at that, you can't even see beyond the cliff. It's all fog. So, kind of a bummer, but still a good hike. Would have been nice to see a little pass beyond the fog. Because it's getting foggy. Because like, look behind me, it's kind of like just disappearing into the fog. So, whew. As long as it doesn't snow, we're good. If it's fresh snow, then bad. Because it'll cover footsteps. And walking on a new path with fresh powder, no good, no fun, dangerous, and you could get lost. So, wow, that is so white, foggy. The cliff is on this side, and you can't even see anything. All you see is white, all white. Nothing there but white. Woo-hoo. Crazy. Oh. Ice or the snow. It's a bit slippery. And everything's all wet, makes it kind of weird. Woo-hoo. Wow, so much snow that you're right next to the railing tip top edge, and maybe it's a little creepy because if you fall, there's basically nothing really stopping you. Woohoo! Ooh, man. Ooh. Can't see anything. Ooh. Crazy. Ooh, rumble. It's crazy how foggy it is. Oh man. And over there, it's even sketchier because I just straight up like a slip and slide. Whew. Crazy. And that's to the edge where I used to stand on, but yeah, you can't even see anything, so guess time to go back. Would be good if it cleared up. I could see a view, because even that, you can't even see the other side of the mountain, so, or the rock, so best to keep it safe and start heading back, because if it starts snowing, it ain't gonna be pretty. So better safe than sorry. And I don't actually have my cleats or my axe, so not exactly the safest. Well, that's a hike back. Might be eating banana right now, but holy smoke, it is foggy. Foggy. Whew. How foggy can it get? I don't know. It's getting there. Slowly, but it's getting there. Foggy. Still pretty thick. Crazy part is, as cold as it is, whew, feels warm. Oh man, warm. I had a little bit of banana and a little bit of coconut water at the top of the rock, where I got to, because you can't get to the top of the rock. It's like 4 foot of snow, and if you climb around it, you slip and fall, you're dead. You're dropping thousands of feet down to the deep. So, whew, man, that's foggy over there. Holy shit. Watch. Pretty foggy. Yeah, without the sunglasses, I think it'd be pretty difficult to walk, because everything looks snow white. It's all washed out. Jeez, it got so thick. It's crazy. Ooh. Thick, white, big trees, beautiful. Big old tree. Yeah, gators would have been good. A lot of snow. High snow. Oh. Whew. No path. Oh. I don't know. hear something kind of creepy. It's either a motor or a mountain lion. Something sound creepy because now the good noise, that or a tree. Whatever it is, that doesn't sound too good. It's actually starting to snow. Very little tiny snowflakes. Very tiny. But it's coming down a little bit, so who knows? Might get some more snow. I want to get out before it starts snowing because a lot of people with summer tires on, and people are sliding all the way up and down, so want to get out before it gets crazy. So it's starting to snow. Not heavy, but it's starting to snow. I'm gonna make my way back, go down a little lower elevation, and go mountain biking. Like I said, a lot of people with rentals and summer tires, and I don't trust those cars. But yeah, when I was at the other end making new trails, new footsteps, I heard it twice. A little creepy. It just went something like that. Like, yeah, that's a bit creepy. Could be a bear, could be a mountain lion, whatever it is. I don't want to find out. More like deeper tone too, like a rumble. Like, yeah, I'm good. Make my way back. I started talking to myself a little louder so I can make some noise. So whatever creature making that noise can hear that somebody is coming along. So rather than it being spooked, it knows I'm there. Because when I get along, kind of creepy sometimes. It sure does get kind of creepy sometimes. I hiked out in Utah. And Utah's kind of creepy too. There's some hikes where you go and you're just like, I don't know, they don't feel right. But you keep on going and you get through. But I'm not gonna find out what that noise is. But it's snowing a little bit. It's snowing. Oh, very light snow, but still, it's snowing. Pretty cool. My cleats would have been perfect. Gotta leave at the house in the other bag. A little snow, a little bit more snow, but still light baby snow. Just enough to dirty up my sunglasses with droplets. Alright, it's starting to come down a little bit better. You can see it beating off my jacket. But not bad yet. The road should still be good, and you can see a little clearing, but Not much at all. Like one of the windows. How much could a person slide? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, bad idea. It's all in my shoes. Hopefully I could get some good, clean, calm condition so I could actually go do some fishing, but yeah, I no longer fish after a storm, and it just stormed, so till next time. Thanks for watching.